Hello guys, what's up? Jello here. So, muna gid siya ang adlaw. Actually, this is in relation to the Mag-Ambagan campaign that I launched 9th of May. So, just a month before my birthday. I don't want to say how old will I be, but yeah, that's a month before my birthday. I launched the Mag-Ambagan campaign in support of my No Child is Too Far advocacy. You know, if you have followed me, though I don't have really that much of a follower or following, but if you followed me, I've been going to the last mile schools of Davao del Norte, and that actually just inspired me to promote an advocacy that no child is too far, that I always want to go back to the community of our indigenous brothers and sisters, because they also deserve to get the quality education that everyone else is getting, and people deserve to hear the story of our indigenous people community. And that's why I launched the Mag-Ambagan campaign to support our learners of the last mile schools. And today I am here in Davao City. I am actually looking for all the materials that I will be getting, or I will be buying for that Mag-Ambagan. So basically, we will be buying bags and school supplies. Let's see kung ano yung mabibili natin. Alright, so I've collected an amount. So thank you so much to all the sponsors, to all the donors. Thank you so much for your generosity. I truly appreciate that. And with that amount, we will be able to somehow buy things for our learners in this last mile schools. So ayun, so samahan niyo ako. I know this is really an awkward situation. I don't really do vlogging, but I just want to document this moment, because this is really a great moment for all of us and for all the learners and supporters also of our last mile school. So thank you, and I will be keeping you posted. Alright, thank you. Well, what's up guys? Well, ayun, nakapamili na tayo successfully. Congratulations sa atin. So nakapamili na ako ng mga bags and school supplies, and sobrang excited na ako ipack ito, maging bag, at ipamahagi sa ating mga learners. I'm really excited na this week ipapack ko na yung mga gamit, and then by next week natin siya ibibigay. So samahan niyo pa rin ako sa journey na to especially yung mga from the start, no, yung pag-launch ko pa lang, and even yung pagpaplano ko pa lang nito na campaign. So salamat sa suporta from day 1 hanggang sa matapos to, hanggang sa uulitin natin to. So samahan niyo pa rin ako, and thank you sa lahat talaga ng mga sumuporta. I really appreciate all of you sa kahit anong paraan man yan. So salamat talaga. And I hope excited na din kayo, kasi as a kid, grabe yung excitement ko every time meron akong bagong gamit, 'di ba? Naalala niyo pa ba yung mga nag-aaral pa tayo? And I hope also yung mga learners ng Last Mile Schools na mapagbibigyan nito is magiging as excited din natin, no, nung mga panahon na yon. So samahan niyo pa rin ako, kasi next week na. So salamat sa mga nag-ambagan, sa mga sumuporta. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my gusto. Okay, my gusto. Si Tato, gikan sa division of Davao del Norte, sila sir, sila sir o si ma'am. Diba, ka-witness man dito nga na sila wala. Sa man yung iingat sa ilaha. Sir, thank you ma'am. And then, karon na ay gi-prepare sila sir. Ay gi-prepare sila ng mga gamits o supplies na bags and notebooks. And then sila Sir Angelo together with his friend sir, no, na sila nag-initiate sila o na sila project. Ang ilang project ito sir, mag-ambagan. And then kato nagkuan sila o mga pinabangay sila para makakuha sila sa supplies para sa iba, para naamoy mga gamit sa inyong study. So, ito yung mainit nila, sir. Isa, 1, 2, 3, go! Makana sila, sir. 1 and 2.
Sa likod ng bawat notebook, lapis at bag na naipamahagi ay ang di mabilang na pusong nag-ambag. Mga pusong naniniwalang kahit ang pinakamaliit na tulong ay may kapangyarihang magbukas ng mas malawak na daan para sa mga bata. Hindi ito tungkol sa laki ng ibinigay, kundi sa laki ng puso ng bawat nagbahagi. Unti-unti, tulong-tulong, kahit katiting, malayo ang mararating. Dahil sa mag-ambagan, pinatunayan natin walang batang masyadong malayo para abutin. Hanggang sa susunod na ambagan.
Oh.